What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another update related video. This time the update is for the Galaxy S26 series and particularly for One UI 9 beta. Yes, we have just got the One UI 9 beta 3 for the Galaxy S26 series. Let's go to the settings, tap on software update and check for updates. As you can see, the update is here. One UI 9, the latest version is ZZF7. And you can also notice there is a big changelog here and all these pointers are basically bug fixes and improvements. And the size is about 1786.62 MB, which is pretty huge. And this update also comes with June 2026 security patch. Now let me just quickly take you through what we have here in the changelog. Improved errors related to the privacy display when setting routines or toggling the quick panel on or off. So this fix is for the Galaxy S26 series particularly, and then it says fixed an issue where part of the camera preview screen was cropped under certain conditions, fixed an issue where widget information such as weather and battery on the lock screen was not updating correctly, improved focus accuracy when using 30x camera zoom. This is pretty important. So there is a camera fix here. It improves the focus accuracy when using 30x camera zoom. Then it says fixed an issue where the home screen would not swipe left or right when using the pen. So that's specifically for the Ultra series for the S Pen. Then it says fixed an issue in the My Files app where the file list could not be scrolled to the end. So the My Files application will get a brand new version. Fixed an issue where the background screen would intermittently turn white when receiving a call. Fixed an issue where the device would reboot once during video streaming. Fixed an issue where the background would appear black when pulling down the status bar. So all these major bugs have been now fixed with this latest One UI 9 beta 3. And of course, the security and the stability has been improved on this device. Now let me go ahead and resume the update. After updating the device, we will install it. We will also see if there is an update for Google Play system and the rest of the applications. One more thing to notice here is when you scroll down, you will see view more here under app updates. I have turned them off so that I know which apps are getting updated. I will see those updates in the Galaxy Store. It says after the software update, your phone will check for app updates. If any updates are available, they will be installed for the applications you select below. App update can solve compatibility issues with your new system software, provide new features or improve existing ones. So automatically you can update all the applications along with the system update. But this time I have turned them off. Let's see if we get any new updates for any of these system applications after updating the device. Now it is going to take a couple of minutes to update the device. Meanwhile, let me talk about our Walworth wallpaper application. If you haven't downloaded the Walworth wallpaper app yet, you can go ahead and download it. The link is in the description. The lock screen wallpaper that you saw, that is the penguin wallpaper. This is available under Ocean section. There are 50 plus wallpapers under Ocean category. They are really beautiful. Go ahead and check them out. Like this, there are tons of categories available. I mean, the collections are available. We have also added the video wallpaper section back on the application. Do go ahead and check them out as well. We offer more than 7,000 wallpapers on this application, which suits the requirements and preferences of various different users. So go ahead, check out the application. The link is in the description. Now going back to the setting, let's see where we stand right now. 48%. I will come back to you guys after the update is done. Alright, now the phone has been updated. Let's go to the Galaxy Store and check if there is any new update for the system applications. No, we don't have any updates here. Let's go to the settings and security and privacy. Tap on updates. Let's see if this is fixed. No, under update section, we still don't see any options. This is a bug here on One UI 9. When we go to the updates area here, we get the security update option and the Google Play system update option. Those are not showing up here on under the update section. But we can of course go to the about phone and here tap on software information. And here let's tap on Google Play system update. It is still May. Let's check if we have got the Google Play system update for June. It says restart now. This is not for June, so this could be an incremental update for the Google Play system. I'll restart it later. Now let's quickly check how is the phone performing. Calculator, phone dialer, gallery application, Walworth, My Files, calendar, clock, camera. Let's go to the recent applications. You can see it's pretty smooth. The animation is as smooth as the One UI 8.5. I don't see any improvements or changes here in the animations. It's as smooth as the One UI 8.5. Let's open the quick panel, notification panel here, quick panel again, notification panel. Looks pretty smooth. Now this is about the all new update we have got for the Galaxy S26 series, the One UI 9 beta update. This is beta 3 and maybe we will get 1 or 2 more betas. I'm not sure why Samsung is not adding any new features here. It's just the bug fixes. I don't think Samsung is going to add any more new features on One UI 9. There is no sign of app lock feature yet. Let's hope that Samsung releases the app lock feature at least in the next betas or on the stable version of One UI 9. This is something which I wanted to share with you guys. If you find any new features with this beta 3, do share it in the comment section. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button. Don't forget to download our wallpaper application Walworth. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.